Good morning. Welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shiva. Day 41 of 2.5 lakh to 6 lakh challenge. Let's do some pre-analysis. You can see Sensex and Nifty opening gap up, Bank Nifty opening gap down. We're gonna looking bearish trend on Bank Nifty, bullish trend on Sensex. You can see Bank Nifty more bearish compared to both. Okay. Let me enter first. Sure. Enter. You can see, as I said, pre-analysis. I'm looking for the bearish trend Bank Nifty, but Sensex also trying to fall last day. You can see it's continue fall and create a good gap. You can say, and market open and create doji and second candle like green candle. Now this second candle going to break this 400 EMA and previous green candle. Once it gonna break and close below, we can expect good rally. You can see 1 minute time frame. It's creating a double top pattern also. And once it break in neck, we enter the particular trade. If the candle close above, we gonna exit. Okay, let's say if once candle close above, we gonna exit and manually we're gonna hold until day low. So let's wait. So you can see once to close above, we'll exit or we're gonna hold. Okay, so the candle go open above. Let me exit first. So exit. Okay, so I said we'll try to close above, we exit. We're gonna re-enter once it gave me once more confirmation. Let me show you the order books and the positions. Okay, these are the order books and the positions. Okay, let me enter. So enter. You can see previously I said I'm waiting for the retest confirmation. Once it give me, we're gonna re-enter. Okay, you can see in 5 minutes time frame, it trying to creating a red candle. I said previously it continued down for a creative bearish trend. So we can expect a good continued bearish trend only. And you can see morning tried to bullish, but still not trying. There is no scope to continue. You can see in 1 minute it created a double top, and for it break the 4 we create a reversal hammer. So that's why I entered the candle. Once I break the reversal candle, so I'm expecting a continued fall until downside 200 EMA, and we're gonna exit above the if we call the above 400 EMA, we're gonna exit because there is no scope to continue as the bearish is once it break upside. So let me enter first. Sorry, let me hold until it's break down or break up. So that's it. Today I'm trying to take more risk compared to the previously. So let me exit. You can see we try to break the floor and even that's why exited. We're taking more risk compared with the previous one. Okay, you can see these are orders. These are the final positions. Okay, let me enter once. Okay, previous I said I'm looking for bearish trade on Bank Nifty on pre-analysis. You can see same Bank Nifty also bearish trend last day, and right now it's trying to bullish but taking resistance from the previous consolidation. So previous consolidation always work as a resistance. So it's created a bearish engulfing. We enter on 5 minute time frame and 1 minute time frame. You can also see it broke the previous double top and 200 EMA. So that's why we entered this particular trade. Once the candle close up, we're gonna exit until we're gonna hold. Today we're taking more risk compared with the previous one because you can see we're taking risk on the cap, only profit, not on capital. So first of all, let me add more quantity. You can see it trying to close below the candle, so we can expect a good rally. That's why I'm adding more quantity. Okay, you can see that it got started. So let me add more quantity. Let make it 500 quantity. So 1 second. Sorry, I forgot. I already have 340 quantity. So let me add 200 quantity. So I can say, so enter it. So enter. You can see as an sedator, we will place our SL below this candle. It has to be fall exact from here. Therefore, we will update our SL below this one. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see it trying to break upside and downside. We're gonna wait until it's gonna break upside or downside. I said we are taking more risk compared with the previous days because whenever you're market creating your setup and you're expecting a good move, then take risk on the particular day, not every day. So I'm expecting a good variant today on various set. That's why I'm taking much risk compared with the previous days. In case our SI got ticket, it's okay. We'll wait. We'll re-enter. Okay, chalo. I'll SI got ticket. Let me show you the order books and positions. These are the order books and positions. Okay, let me enter. 1 second. So let me press. Chalo, re-enter. So entry, you can see previously our SI got triggered and as we expected continuing fall. Said previously when you are creating a market creating your pattern, just enter, wait for target, but don't take risk for every day. Only take when you're the pattern creating. You can see as I said I'm looking for a bearish trend. That's why I entered this particular. I'm expecting good bearish fall today. That's why I entered. And that's why I'm taking more risk compared with the every day. Because most of the Indian market consolidation between 70%, the only 30 to 20% we can expect a rally. We can see 1 minute time frame also. It created one more bearish engulfing and break the 200 EMA candle below we entered. I said most of them is going to be consolidation. The few times is going to be trending or volatility. That's why we took risk. We take much risk compared with the previous days. Today I'm expecting good bearish and that's why I'm taking much risk compared with the previous line. Okay, you can see we want to achieve at least 1:1 or 1:4 nearly. So let me wait for Caniclus. Okay. Add more quantity, you can see as previously said. With the market giving you a direction, that's add more quantity until don't add quantity losing trade. Add quantity only when you think the pattern is creating. Then only you can see as we expected fall and created a reversal and it took the resistance. Then we added more quantity and we're gonna place our SL below this candle and we're gonna hold until day low or in case near day low we're gonna trial our SL. Okay, you can see I'm placing my SL below this candle. So let's wait for candle close. Now you can see as we expect market started bearish. So that's why updating my trial SL and we actually already 1:2. That's why updating my trial SL. Don't trial your SL for 5-2 points. Just when it's give you 1:1 or more than then only update your trial SL. Okay, you can see our trial SL got triggered. Let me show you position. Okay, you can see the position. We're back to the minimum loss. Okay, let me enter for the sell side. Okay, you can see previously we took 3 trades for the day. The market I'm expecting is going to be consolidation. That's why I enter a sell trade. You can see. Let me show you the analysis behind the trade. Okay, you can see as we expect market continuous fall. And Priyansa explained we are looking for a bearish trade on bank nifty. You can see it's open, try to bullish, again break the day low and consolidation. Right now it again create a bearish engulfing. So I'm expecting it going to be continue fall. After it give me confirmation of reverse family, then only I enter this particular trade. If the candle break upside, it's going to continue bullish. So we're going to exit above the candle and you can see this is the pattern. It is once it broke this neck, we can expect a target of this down support. So I'm expecting it continue fall or it's going to be consolidation fall. And if the consolidated market will not go with the premium going to be huge. That's why I sell side I enter right now. You can see the above this created one good breakout. So this is also worker resistance. In might be charts for is a fake breakout and again took the resistance. From this exact plan we can expect a fall also. That's why I'm gonna exit my trade. If the candle close above, then we're gonna exit. We're not gonna exit until it's gonna close the candle above. Most time we're going to try to bullish and create a fake breakouts and again we're going to fall downside. because today we expect consolidation market or volatility market. It might be hit our SL and might be expected downfall also. I'm ready to give my SL. Chalo, we're gonna try to achieve at least 1:3.5. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see. As I previously with the zone 1 breakout, we're gonna exit. You can see the market candle close above the zone, and right now one more candle try to create above the zone. If we give it a hammer, we're gonna hold until we're gonna wait. Okay, you can see time to bullish. So let me exit once. Okay, you can see I took some edges also. So let me exit first. So exit. Okay, the edge position not exited. So let me exit once again. Okay, exit. You can see we've only lost the fixed loss only. Okay, I'm feeling this is going to be consolidation. I don't want to trade more because whenever the consolidation day, we try to take revenge trades and over trade. I don't want to do both. That's why I'm not going to trade for the entire day. Chalo, this is the last trade for the day. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.